this lesson, I'm going to run through a basic 12-bar blues chord progression in the key of A major. The 12-bar blues is the basis of so many rock and roll, rock, pop, soul songs, and of course blues songs throughout the years, but the basic form is really simple. And I'm going to show you two versions, the really simple version and an alternative version that'll add a bit more interest to your playing. So in A, we're using three major chords, A, D and E major, all of which we've looked at before. If you haven't seen those lessons, then check out the link in the description for a playlist of all the chords in the key of A. And here's the progression, you'll see it up there. There are 12 bars and each bar has 4 beats. And what we'll be doing is we'll be sticking to a simple rhythm pattern of just down, 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 up, or 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. So here comes the basic version. Feel free to play along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here's the version with a couple of differences, and if you look at the two progressions there, you'll see that the first line, the first 4 bars, there's a difference. So you've got the first bar of A and then a bar of D, and then it continues as normal. But it's at the end, right at the end, the last 2 bars where you see the real difference, and you have half a bar of A, half a bar of D, half a bar of A, half a bar of E. Also, the rhythm remains the same. So on the 3rd and 4th beat of the bar, you'll be doing down, up, down, up. So why not press pause, take a screenshot, get a copy of the progression, and also hit the like button if you're getting value out of this. And a couple of Cream songs, Crossroads and Strange Brew, use this progression. So here we go, the 12-bar blues in the key of A, alternative version. Why not play along? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 great chords, A, D and E major. 3 chords that are often found in rock and roll songs. Check out Buddy Holly, he's got loads of songs in A, for example. That'll be the day. And why not check out the lesson that I did on A and E to see how to make the change between those 2 chords a little bit easier. Now, if you didn't play along, then go back and have a go. And if you did, have another crack. So see you in the next class, and don't forget to hit the notifications button before you check out another video.